Coming down the road.
Ayy, I'm on a mission, I'm fire. I get that target acquired. Claiming you pass me, you liar. Watch how I'm speeding right by you. Burning rubber off your tires. Smoke clouds when I'm driving. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like I can. No one can do it like whoa.
Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the blog from the great sunshine state of Florida. And it's sunny and it's hot. Woo! It's been a hot day. So I just want to give you guys a quick update. I didn't have a video out last week because I was busy with my son. He got his license. We've been looking for a car. He had multiple cars before, but they weren't clean enough, or some stuff happened, especially with the Volvo that he had. So he just got his license. So we were able to dedicate a week. We found him a car, and I've been driving with him every evening after school. And what I'll have him do, I'll have him drive to school, and then I'll just take the car to work, and then he get picked up later on. But it's just to help him adjust. Even though he have his license, it's going to help with his confidence. And of course, you know, since he's Mission Flyer Junior, you know what kind of car it is. Guess down below what type of car you think it is. But yeah, I'm happy that he got his license. I'm proud he got his own little car. We worked on it today. It had a valve cover gasket leak, so we fixed the valve cover gasket, sprayed it down with some super clean to get all the grease off of it, and then move on from there. But yeah, I'm pretty excited for him. His mom is nervous, as all moms are nervous. I don't know why, but I gave him the blessing. Go forth and prosper. But yeah, so that's why I didn't have a video last week. Been driving with him every evening. We're going back and forth. We're looking at different cars, and we finally found one. You'll see what it is here. I have him looping around the block, but it's pretty exciting. As I said, first kid with a license. And I'm gonna do a separate video on the insurance, on how much it costs to insure a 16-year-old on your policy and everything like that. So we'll see how that pans out, and I'll go over a little bit of details with you guys. But I hear him coming. I'm about to go show you the car, show you what it's about. And as usual, guys, definitely thank you for rocking with me. Understanding, you know, sometimes life gets in the way of filming, and it's just stuff you have to take care of. And if it's your first time checking out the channel, not even your first time checking out the channel, definitely tap that subscribe button down below, hit the bell icon, ding, for future upload, like, share, and comment. And until the next vid, more drag cat videos coming up along with other videos. And until the next time, guys, thanks for watching. Pull up, and then you won't see me after this. So peace. So here it is. Coming down the road. It's pulling off to the side. See the big Anameus. Little Mission Flyer Junior. Show him, tell him what kind of car this is.
This is a 2007 Honda Civic LX, 5-speed manual transmission.
See that? Save the manuals. Gotta teach Mission Flyer Junior. You ain't burn up the clutch, did you?
That's from the engine.
Okay. We just put some degreaser. We changed the valve cover gasket and sprayed some degreaser on it. So
that's what we're on the degreaser.
Okay. So here it is, folks. Little Mission Flyer. Save the manuals. What you think so far?
I love it. It's fun to drive.
Was it easy to learn?
Yeah, it's pretty easy to learn.
What about going up the hills?
I mean, it's not too bad. I just gotta make sure I don't burn out.
Yeah, which you burned out right here. They got your tire marks on the road right there.
Oops. I started like 3 times right there, too.
All right, but that's what I've been doing, guys. I think he's almost good to go by himself. He has his license, so technically he could drive by himself, but with the manual, I always want to make sure Especially it's busy around here in tourist season.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me to snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy like